Hey besties, welcome back to SlaySpace, where we talk all things blue, glam, and goals. Today we're diving into something that literally broke the internet. Glass skin. You know that crystal clear TV like a baby seal type of glow that even your front camera forgives? Yeah, that one. But here's the truth. You don't need to spend $500 on Korean skincare or bathe in serums every night. So, grab your iced coffee, tie your hair up, and let's get into the real tea on how to get glass skin, what to use, what not to use, and my favorite homemade face mask remedy that actually works. Okay, first thing first, glass skin doesn't mean your skin is actually made of glass. I mean, if it was, imagine trying to sneeze. It means your skin looks so smooth, hydrated, and radiant that it reflects light just like glass. To achieve that, you need three things: hydration, smooth texture, and healthy barrier. If your skin barrier is mad at you, aka red, irritated, or peeling like onion layers, no amount of serum can fix that overnight. So, today we will build your glow from the inside and outside with the right habits and the right stuff. Alright, glow squad. Here's your step-by-step glass skin routine checklist. At morning, use a gentle cleanser. Don't stripe your face like you're trying to erase your past mistakes. Go for something mild, non-foaming one like CeraVe hydrating cleanser or Roche-Posay tolerant cleanser. And then use a hydrating toner. Think of it as giving your skin a sip of water before the skincare phase. Try COSRX Smell Mucinescence. Yes, smell good, don't judge, it works. And then use a serum. Use hyaluronic acid or niacinamide. Duo like the dynamic duo of hydration and brightness. And niacinamide also says no thanks to large pores. And then moisturize your face. Go for something lightweight but nourishing, like Clinique Moisture Surge or Neutrogena Hydro Boost. And the most important step, SPF. This is not optional. You can't glow if you're literally getting roasted. And at night, cleanse your face again, but gently, okay? Apply hyaluronic acid serum while your skin is still damp, and then use a richer moisturizer or sleeping mask. My favorite combo is Sika and Ceramide. They repair your barrier while you're dreaming of glass skin. Now, let's talk about what you should not do. Because some of you all are out here mixing acids like you're in a chemistry lab. Stop doing this from today. Using lemon juice on your face, your skin is not a kitchen counter basting. Over exfoliating your face, that's not glass skin, that's glass shards. Sleeping with makeup on, I know you are tired, but you have to remove your makeup. Skipping SPF? Oh my god. That's like buying an iPhone and never using a case. Your skin can't glow if it's in survival mode, okay? Okay, here's my holy grail DIY glass skin mask. It's hydrating, smoothing, and perfect for all skin types. The ingredients are 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, fresh if you can, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon rose water, and a pinch of turmeric. Not too much or you will look like a minion. Mix it well, apply it evenly on your face, and leave for 15 minutes. Then rinse with cold water and pat dry. Your skin will look instantly plumped and hydrated. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, and trust me, you will glow so hard that even your ex might text, "What's your skincare routine?" Now, here are the top glow killers most people don't realize they're doing. Touching your face all day. Your phone is dirtier than a public door handle, and you're always on your phone, not washing your pillowcase. You know, bacteria party every night in your pillowcase, and guess who is invited? Yes, your cheeks. Drinking less water. No. Iced coffee doesn't count here, babe. Stress and poor sleep. No product can fix 4 hours of sleep and 10 hours of scrolling. So, that's your full glass skin guide. Real, affordable, and totally doable. Remember, it's not about looking perfect. It's about feeling confident and glowing from within. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to SlaySpace, and comment down. I am ready to blow. See you in the next one. Bye!
That's for you. Now you have two.